Session 2, let's get started. All right, so nice and easy here. We start with a gentle pace. Our first 5-minute session, we just want to get our bodies warmed up, and we're going to build all the way through to 50 minutes. So just nice and easy to start with. Keep going. Let's take a deep breath in here and stretch those arms up and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. All right, take it out. That's it. Just a nice little hook. All we're doing is swaying from side to side and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. That's it. Now let's roll the shoulders. That's it. And the other way, roll. So really all I want you to focus on in this 5 minutes is just warming up the body. Now walk, 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 walk. All right, let's shake it out a little bit. Here we go. Shake, shake, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Nice and easy pace. Have fun with the music. Walk, walk. All right, let's add some funky disco arms. Here we go. Breathe it in. Roll it down and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. That's up and down. Now we go. Pump those arms. Warm it up. Now both arms. That's it. Really just groove it. Have fun here. Now let's go heel digs. That's it. Really warming up those calf muscles, driving those legs forward. Now take it back, take it back. Now right after this, we're gonna go into a nice, easy walk. Take it forward, walk it forward. Now on the spot, take it back. So we're just gonna add some travel to amp that cardio level up just a little bit. And take it back. That's it. Now, back to those heel digs. That's it, warming up the whole body in our dance moves. Take it back, take it back. Let's add some disco fun to it. That's it, now walk on the spot. Let's add those disco arms again. Take a deep inhale and exhale. All you have to focus on is getting through this 5 minutes. And it's gonna go so quickly. All right, take it up, side together. Now in with our arms. All we're doing is taking a side step together. That's it, and in with those arms. Walk it on the spot. All right, now push it forward, push it forward. Take it up. And combine the two and up. Forward and up. Take it forward, forward walk. And hold it there. Take it back. Hold it there. So see how the pace is nice and relaxed? In week 1, that's how we keep it. Good job, guys. All right, now we're gonna go out, out, back, back. Out, out, back, back. 4 on each leg. Let's go for 4 more. 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Walk it forward. Now, roll those arms. Take it back. And roll. Add some funk into that walk. Take it back. That's it. Now let's kick it back. Kick it back. Kick it back. Amp up that warming up to the legs. Excellent, everyone. Now take your knee up. Now remember, knee to you. Don't bring your back to your knee. You want to bring the knee up to your chest. Now kick it back. Get right back. That's it. Keep it nice and low and easy. And take it up. Now really reach. Reach. If you can. Good job. All right. Walk it forward. Take it back now. So no stops. We're just going to continuous walk forward and back. That's it. Take it back. Here we go. One more time. Reach it up and roll it. Let's go to the side. Walk, walk, walk. Now add a side step. Walk, walk, walk. Add a side step. Walk, walk, walk. Add a side step. One more time. Walk on the spot. Walk, walk, walk. Okay, now just take it up a little bit more in intensity. Bring those knees up a little bit more. That's it. Breathe it in and out. And in and out. Good job, guys. Well done. 5 minutes, done. All right, today we're doing a cha-cha-cha style 5-minute workout here. So just a nice easy pace, starting with our walk. That's it. And 1, 2, 1, 2, to the beat. Here we go. First dance movement, cha-cha-cha. Now if you want to, you can just close your feet or add that triple step or just do it like this. 1, 2, here. That's it. Or join me with this cha-cha-cha like I am. And walk, 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 walk. So nice and easy. Driving those elbows, lifting those knees up. That's it. Keep it going. We're going to repeat that dance move. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. 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 Now really get those hips rocking. Cha-cha-cha. And forward rock. Cha-cha-cha. That's it. Now let's go to a walk. Forward. Walk, walk, walk. Nice and easy pace. That's what it's all about. We're growing that cardio. And back we go. All right, step 2, here we go. Side, cha-cha-cha. So really similar to the first one, except we rock to the side. Now add some arms, reach it out. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. And walk, 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 walk. Let's add some arms. Here we go, to the beat. Take it up. Take it forward. And back to that side, cha-cha-cha. Out, cha-cha-cha. Let's get loud, guys. Turn that music up. Here we go. Cha-cha-cha. 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 And walk it forward. I love this song. It came out by Jennifer Lopez a while ago, but it still gets me going. Here we go. Walk it forward. That's it. Shake it out. Have fun with it. And here we go. We're going to go third dance move. We take it across. Cha-cha-cha. Out. Cha-cha-cha. Open out those arms. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. All right, walk it up. Here we go. And up, and forward, and up. We're going to increase that cardio intensity here by adding those arms up. That's it. All right, we're going to go back into those opening out cha-cha-chas. Here we go. Out, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. I'm sure you guys are rocking it out in your living room, having fun with this. All right, walk on the spot and roll and shake it up, up, down, down, and roll. Up, up, down, down. 2 more sets here. Roll, roll, roll. Now back cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Do little mini bicep curls here. Work those arms. That's why dance moves are so good, because it works your whole body. Cha-cha-cha. Now walk it forward. Roll it. Shake it back. That's it. Roll, roll, roll. Shake it back. Give me those shimmies, guys. Shake it back. Guess what? Going right back into that cha-cha back step. Now remember, you can take out that triple step at any time and just close your feet. I like to do the triple step to add a bit more intensity and get my hips going and using my core. And walk it on the spot. Okay, lift those knees. Push it out. Push it up. And again. Take it up. Guess what? We're going to go right back into that first cha-cha-cha. Step forward. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. Reach it up. Cha-cha-cha. Reach. That's it. Come on, push it out. You got this. Push. Take it forward, walk. Here we go. Take it back. That's it. Nice, easy step. One more walk. And walk forward. Cha-cha-cha. And cha-cha-cha. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Fantastic effort, everyone. Session 2 done and dusted. 10 minutes down, guys. So remember, do this for the next 3 days and then we'll be releasing the next session to keep you going to 50 minutes.